Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 plastic welding gun. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, Plastic Welder Gun 800 PCS. Specifications. Welding area, 0.8 mm. Frequency, 50 Hz to 60 Hz. Use, plastic welder kit. Power, 50 watts. Voltage, 220 volts, 110 volts, 240 volts. Material, ABS plus stainless steel. Color, red, blue, black, yellow. Cable length, 1.3 m. Weight, 1.2 kilograms. Dimensions, 28.5 by 20 by 4.5. Plug type, EU. Product number 2, Cordless Hot Stapler Plastic Welding Machine. Specifications. Material, plastic. Voltage, 21 volts. Power, 20 watts. Output voltage, plus or minus 2.5 volts. Output current, 0 to 1 amperes. Temperature, max 500 degrees Celsius. Lighting type, LED light. Stud size, 0.6 to 0.8 millimeters. Size, 230 by 200 millimeters. Color, black plus blue. Product number 1, Plastic Welding Gun for PPR PVC. Specifications. Model number, PT1080A. Welding area, 8 mm to 32 mm. Frequency, 50 Hz. Use, PVC plastic floor welding gun. Voltage, 220 volts. Power, 1080 watts. Temperature range, 50 to 580 degrees Celsius. Dimensions, 38 by 12 by 10 centimeters.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.